Enterprises around the globe are increasingly aware of risk. It's foremost in the minds of boards of directors and executives. So the question's asked, what is our organization doing with regard to enterprise risk management?
Hello, my name is Rachel Snell. I am a certified internal auditor. I have many years of audit experience, over 10 in government auditing. And I'm here today to talk to you about my most successful audit and what made it so successful. When you break down the audits, I think of the one I did most successful, that had the most added value and the most impact, was a statewide impacted audit. What that means is this was an audit where we had to go out as a team throughout the entire state and look at abuse, neglect, and exploitation of people living in state-assisted living facilities. What made the audit successful wasn't the subject matter, it was the team. We had a team of highly qualified people that had years of audit experience, but they also had subject matter expertise. We had folks such as myself that had a background in public safety and emergency management that was able to look into these facilities and have a high level of criterion and a high level of expertise in reviewing the evidence and the documents that were presented to us in these files. We had people that had a strong background in data analysis. They knew how to use ACL. They knew how to use Microsoft Access. And it wasn't just looking at the data, it was looking at the data from a perspective of making sure it was reliable and accurate and would add value to our audit and give us the credibility we needed when we presented our audit results. And with a competent staff that worked together, had strong leadership, and a strong tone at the top from within our agency, but also the agencies that we were auditing, there was a commitment to making sure that we found what was wrong, how we could fix it, and how we could do it together in partnership and in collaboration. Bottom line is, there was statewide change through the legislative process that changed state-assisted living facilities. Even now, 5 years later, there are people in the legislature at state agencies that are still talking about this audit. And when you break it down, we had a team that worked well together, had operations experience, had subject matter expertise, were very well trained, and worked for an organization that valued training and valued staff education and valued the process of bringing back to the constituents of the state, the elected officials, and people who had family members residing in these state-assisted living facilities.